Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to 100 Days of Halloween, Day 6. So last night's movie was The Witch Trap. I can't say it was too bad. I mean, would I watch it again voluntarily all by myself? No, but if somebody really wanted to watch it and wanted me to watch it with them, would I? Yes. So maybe like half a thumbs up. It started out really slow with hardly any killings, and I thought this was going to be, some kind of scary. And then it got busy killing people. So, yeah, it made up for that. It's about this group of people that go in to exorcise a ghost, I guess, and everybody's got like a job to do. And in the end, well, only two people come out. I won't tell you what two people, but only two people survive. So, yeah. Like I said, a half a thumbs up. Half. And the make I have to show you today actually sold at the market yesterday. So there will be a photo of it, and I will link the tutorial in the description box. It was a tiny little bat. Adorable. I will make another one. I just didn't feel like whipping one up today before the video, since I do have a photo of the bat, so I will put a picture at the end of the video of the bat, and like I said, I will put the tutorial in there. So if you want to go and make one, you can. When I make those tiny little ones, I always think of Ella from No Catchy Name, because she likes to make little Halloween stuff, little scary stuff to give out at Halloween. And so I thought of her when I saw that with the bat tutorial. And plus, Heather from Crochet Witch loves bats, and so do I.
Bats are awesome.
I don't have my glasses. What do I do with them? Well, let's see if I can read this. Okay, the next movie is Cruel Summer on FreeVee. Barely could read it. So that's what we're watching tonight. I'll put it in the description box so you don't have to go back and watch the whole video if you forget what movie it is. Like I said, it's Cruel Summer on FreeVee. I love y'all. I hope you're having a good day and stay spooky. Mwah.